International rail transportation provides a sustainable and efficient option for freight transportation, especially over land. It is of great importance for countries without access to sea and plays a vital role in economic corridors such as New Silk Road and Belt and Road Initiative, which aims to link Asia, Europe, and Africa. Rail transport's dependability, low environmental impact, and capacity for large shipment makes it an appealing option for international commerce. The China-Europe rail service is a great example of how international rail travel can change things. This service connects different cities in China with European destinations. It has gained popularity in the business world due to its ability to strike a balance between speed and cost, providing an affordable choice between costly air freight and budget-friendly sea freight. Companies from various industries have utilized these services to enhance their supply chain. Huawei efficiently transport electronic components and finished products to Europe, ensuring faster delivery times and cost-effective solutions. Similarly, Zara, renowned for its efficient fashion business model, utilizes this rail link to swiftly restock European stores with newest fashion items from its manufacturing hubs in Asia. Despite the numerous benefits, global rail transportation encounters various obstacles. One significant problem arises from this variation in rail gauge sizes across countries, which is commonly referred to as the break of gauge issue. As an example, the rail gauge in China varies from the Russian and the European one, requiring the transfer of goods between trains at border crossing. This can result in delays and higher handling expenses. Also, cross-border rail transportation requires dealing with complex custom regulations and border controls, which can differ greatly between countries. Companies need to ensure that they comply with all applicable laws and regulations, which adds complexity to international rail logistics. In order to effectively utilize international rail transportation, companies must take into account various factors. First is route planning. Choosing the optimal route involves considering various factors like transit time, cost, and reliability. Companies should carefully evaluate various alternatives at their disposal and select the path that most closely matches their supply chain requirements. Second is regulatory compliance. Companies must comply with the legal and regulatory requirements of each country through which their rail services operate. This may require acquiring the required permits, paying tariffs, and ensuring that all documentation is properly organized. Third is partnerships. Developing relationships with experienced logistic providers and rail operators can be extremely beneficial. These partners have a wealth of knowledge in managing all aspects of international rail transport, including custom procedures and transshipment between various rail systems. Now talking about risk management. Businesses should develop risk management strategies for managing potential disruption in rail transportation, such as political unrest, weather condition, or infrastructure issues. This may involve exploring different transportation options or routes and ensuring there is enough inventory as a backup to compensate for any delays for in-transit inventory. So in summary, international rail transportation is revolutionizing global trade, providing businesses with a practical alternative to conventional sea and air freight. By gaining a comprehensive understanding of the opportunities and challenges linked to this mode of transport, companies can make well-informed decisions to improve their supply chain and take advantage of rail logistics. As we conclude this lecture, I encourage you to consider how international rail transportation can help you navigate the complex world of international logistics. You need to research more and more on the routes which are available for international rail transportation worldwide.